A donation request letter for charity event can play a major role in the success of a fundraising campaign because without sufficient financial support, a charity event may fall short of its goals, limiting the assistance that reaches the people or causes it is meant to serve. A well-written donation request letter for charity event clearly explains the purpose of the event, how donations will be used, and why the recipient's support can make a meaningful difference. When your request is professional, transparent, and sincere, potential donors are much more likely to respond positively. So here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your organization's contact information at the top of the letter. For example, Hope Together Foundation, 125 Community Avenue, Denver, CO 80202, United States, 303-555-2481. info@hopetogether.org. www.hopetogether.org. This section identifies the organization requesting support and provides donors with reliable contact information should they wish to ask questions or verify your organization. Complete contact details also help build credibility and trust. Date. After your contact information, write the date, for example, July 4, 2026. The date records when the donation request was prepared and helps recipients understand the timeline of your fundraising campaign, especially if the event is approaching. Recipient information. Next, write the recipient's information. For example, Ms. Olivia Carter, Carter Business Group, 890 Market Street, Denver, CO 80203, United States. This section ensures the letter is addressed to the correct individual or organization. Personalizing your request demonstrates professionalism and shows that you value the recipient's potential support. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, donation request for Hope for Tomorrow Charity Gala. The subject immediately tells the recipient the purpose of your letter and identifies the specific event being supported. Salutation. Address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Ms. Carter or Dear Carter. Business group team. A respectful greeting creates a positive first impression and establishes a courteous tone for the rest of the letter. Opening paragraph. Now introduce your organization, the charity event, and its purpose. For example, I hope this letter finds you well. On behalf of Hope Together Foundation, I am writing to invite you to support our upcoming charity event, Hope for Tomorrow Charity Gala, which will be held on September 18, 2026, at Grand Summit Convention Center. This event aims to raise funds and awareness for providing educational scholarships to underprivileged children. This opening paragraph immediately explains why you are writing and introduces the event in a clear and organized manner. It helps the reader quickly understand who is requesting support, what the event is about, and why it matters. Including the event name, date, location, and charitable purpose makes your request more informative and credible. Purpose of the event paragraph. Next, explain how the funds will be used. For example, the proceeds from this event will directly support our scholarship assistance program for students from low-income families. Through this initiative, we hope to provide school supplies, tuition assistance, mentoring programs, and educational opportunities that will help students build a brighter future. With the generosity of community members and organizations like yours, we can make a meaningful and lasting difference. This paragraph explains the real impact of the fundraising effort. Donors are more likely to contribute when they clearly understand who will benefit and how their donation will improve lives. Focusing on measurable outcomes helps strengthen your request and encourages greater confidence in your organization. Donation request paragraph. Now respectfully ask for support. For example, we kindly ask you to consider making a monetary donation or contributing goods, services, gift certificates, or event sponsorship to help make this event a success. Every contribution, regardless of its size, will directly support our fundraising efforts and help us achieve our mission. This paragraph clearly tells the recipient what kind of assistance you are requesting. Whether you are seeking financial contributions, donated items, or sponsorships, stating your request directly makes it easier for potential donors to understand how they can help. Giving several donation options may also encourage more people to participate. Donation method paragraph. Next, explain how donations can be made. For example, if you choose to support our event, Donations may be made through our online donation portal, bank transfer, or by check. We would also be pleased to recognize your generosity through event materials, promotional opportunities, or sponsorship acknowledgements if applicable. This paragraph provides practical instructions for making a donation while also explaining any recognition or sponsorship benefits that may be available. Making the donation process simple and convenient often increases the likelihood of receiving support. Appreciation paragraph. Now thank the recipient for considering your request. For example, we sincerely appreciate your time and consideration of our request. If you would like additional information about the event, sponsorship opportunities, or our organization, we would be happy to provide further details. This paragraph expresses gratitude while inviting the recipient to ask questions if they need more information. Being open to further communication demonstrates transparency and helps build trust with potential donors. Thank you paragraph. Now conclude your letter. For example, thank you for considering our request and for supporting our efforts to create a positive impact in our community. We truly value your generosity and hope you will partner with us in making this charity event a success. This closing paragraph leaves the reader with a positive and encouraging final message. Ending on a sincere note helps reinforce the importance of the cause while showing appreciation for the recipient's generosity and support. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, Sincerely, Jordan Mitchell. This is your formal closing and signature identification. A professional closing helps complete the letter with respect and professionalism. Sender information. Finally, include your name and job title. For example, Jordan Mitchell, Community Outreach Director, Hope Together Foundation. This final section identifies the person representing the organization and gives recipients a clear point of contact for any follow-up communication. Before sending your donation request letter for charity event, carefully review every detail to make sure the event information, fundraising purpose, donation methods, and contact details are accurate. A well-prepared request that clearly explains the impact of every contribution will inspire greater confidence and encourage more people to support your charitable mission. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.